Hey y'all, so my name is Lauren. This is my channel, and actually Lauren. I am filming this intro after I finish the video, which is different for this type of video. But anyways, this is part 2 of my goals for 2021. While I was recording the video, this got really long and I don't want to cut anything out, so I would just prefer to upload a part 2, which is what I'm doing. Hopefully, you know, y'all don't mind. I don't mind. I'm gonna do it. But yeah, this is part 2. So yeah, I'm just gonna hop back into my goals. Hopefully you watched part 1. If you haven't, I will link it down below. But yeah, that's it. So just keep watching. Everything is everything, and everything will get better over time, so that's okay. So my next goal is finding a job. Maybe finding a job. So I am 100% getting a job this year. I'm 100% getting a job this year. I don't really want to work retail or at a fast food restaurant or something like that, or as like a waiter or anything. Like I just said, I live in a small town, so you know, but I don't really want to do that, but I will. You know, I need a job, I need some money, but I really want to start like subbing, becoming a substitute, like at an elementary school or something like that. I feel like that would be really fun, something I would really like. Want to look into that, and y'all will know if it works out for me or not. Y'all know I will update y'all. But yeah, that's my next goal. And then the one after that is, what do I want to major in? So as y'all know, currently this semester, fall 2020, was my first semester out of school. So it's, do I want to go back to school? And if I do want to go back to school, what do I want to major in? So as y'all know, I got all my prerequisites in nursing. It's been 4 years, getting 2 years worth of prerequisites, but whatever. I never got into the nursing program. I didn't apply, but it's like, do I want to be a nurse? But I really want to major in education, early childhood education at the same time. It's like, well, you just said you really want to major in early childhood education, but it's like, do I want to throw away them 4 years of prerequisites for nursing? So it's just, you know, a battle in my head. I don't know which way to go. So the next personal goal is getting my own. Now, I don't have a job, so if I get a job in like February, I don't think I'll be able to save enough to get my own place, like an apartment, by December, but at least by June of 2022. You know what I mean? So that's definitely something I want to do. I want to get my own, I want a new car, and I want my own place. You know, I'm getting old and I need my own space. I need my own space. I need my own place. So that's definitely a goal. And that's a goal because my next goal is, or my next statement I wrote is that I don't want to depend on others. If you depend on other people, they can throw it back in your face. And it's sad that people do that. It's very sad. It's very degrading, especially when they know your situation and they know if you could for yourself, you would. You just haven't did it yet. And the fact that people can throw it in your face, it's disgusting, but it's okay. I don't want to depend on other people though. I don't want to depend on nobody. I want my life to get, that's why I really want this YouTube stuff to work out, because I would love to do YouTube. Like, that would be my job. I see other people do it and they get paid so well for different things. And it's like, I really want this to work out, and one day it will. One day it will, but I just wanted to do it now. But anyways, I'm gonna get a job, get my life together, get my own place. Yeah, it's just, I don't want to depend on other people anymore. I want to have my own. So, but I'm going to go ahead and get into my goals for YouTube and content. So my first goal is obviously to grow my platforms. I really want to grow my platforms. My goal for YouTube is getting 500 to 1,000, getting to 500 to 1,000 subscribers this year. I really do think I get past 500 this year. I'm kind of hopeful on that because I'm almost at 300. And that was a big jump from where I started at the beginning of 2020 to right now. Getting to almost 300 subscribers is a big old jump. So I really feel like 500 is doable this year, but I would love to get more. And then on Instagram, I have over 2,300 followers on Instagram, if I'm not mistaken. But my goal is 5,000 Instagram followers, 5K. Hopefully I can reach that before the end of the year. I got more likes last year than I did ever like, I got 15,000 likes on my Instagram last year, and I wasn't even as consistent as I could be. That's just my growing, my following growing, and more people seeing my stuff. If I uploaded more, I could have way, or if I posted more on Instagram, I could have had way more likes. So that's that. I'm on 5,000 subscribers, 5,000 followers on Instagram. Hopefully I can get that this year. Pray for me, I hope I do. And my next goal is I want to work with more brands. I am so grateful for the brands I worked with this year, or, you know, had the opportunity of getting products and stuff from. Y'all know I did the Cocoa Candle Company. They sent me a candle, which was nice. It wasn't like we worked together, but they sent me that PR. Kiani Naturals sent me PR. I loved it. I worked with GROVEDA. I don't know if I'm still an ambassador for them or not. I have to ask them about it, honestly, because I had questions regarding that, and I will get into that in a minute. But I did work with them, so GROVEDA, Kiani, and it was some other brands that was reaching out, but they never got back. And I'm not finna keep begging nobody to send me no free products or to work with me. I'm not doing that, and I'm definitely not doing that now. So, if you know, so I only work with a little bit of people, and then my influencer caused me to get a lot of free stuff. I got OGX, I just got Cream of Nature. I need to upload that unboxing, and I haven't used it yet, but I got Cream of Nature, and there's some other stuff that I got that I just can't remember right now. And another brand that worked with me was True Natural. They changed their name. It's not True Natural anymore, but that is another brand that I worked with, True Natural. I did want to mention that. So yeah, those are who all I worked with. But this upcoming year, I really want to work with more brands. I don't know how to get brands to notice me, and I'm such a small creator. It's like I can understand if somebody as small as me was to DM you a proposition or whatever. It's like, why would I work with you? Small as you are, you know? That's how my brain sees it. It may not be that way, but I think that comes with growing my platforms. I just really want to work with more brands. And along with that, I'm going to start charging for my work. So my next goal is no longer working for free or just for free products. Keep saying, I don't know if I'm an ambassador for GROVEDA anymore. Y'all, as much content as I made for GROVEDA, I never got paid for my content, which I knew I wasn't getting paid. But it's like, I'm at the end of the year, and me looking back, it's like, damn, I didn't get paid for all the content that I made, and I haven't got nothing in so long. But I didn't get paid for that content. Obviously, the beginning of this year, when they 2020, when they asked me to be an ambassador for them, it was the end of 2020 or the beginning of 2020 or the end of 2019. Either way, the way it worked was I would get paid through people using my discount code. I'm positive so many people have been to GROVEDA through me, whether they use my discount code or not. But I've only got paid once, and it was $23 for all that content I made, you know? So I'm not doing that again. I'm actually going to DM them and ask them, am I still an ambassador? And if I am, I'm not going to ask them to pay me, obviously, because they haven't been. I'm not going to just randomly demand that. I don't think that's fair on my end. It's not fair to me, but it's not fair for me to demand that either. But we got to work something out, because I haven't got sent nothing from them in so long. I dyed my hair red in August. Last video I did for them was before I dyed my hair. I just uploaded the content recently, but that was so long ago. That was the beginning of August since I was sent anything. But I'm never going to delete my content because I worked hard on that. But I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing free content. I really did enjoy working with Kiani Naturals though. I didn't get paid for that either. It was just free product. It was PR. I didn't mind doing that for free at all, because I don't know, they were just interactive, I would say. It's not like a long thing. I didn't upload on here about me doing Kiani Naturals yet. The content will be posted soon. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you saw that. But it's not like I'm an ambassador for them or anything. I did enjoy their products though, so, you know. But yeah, anyways, I'm not doing free work no more. Not for free products. I am 100% charging from here on out. At first I didn't want to because I'm such a small creator, but yeah, I'm charging from here on out. Now, my next goal for 2020 is, I don't have much control over this, but I want a viral video. I want a video to go viral on YouTube and on Instagram. It's more likely to happen on Instagram though. I want a viral video. 2018, I think it was. I had a video on Instagram get 26,000 views, and that was so much for me back then. It still is. I've never gotten that since. And I had one get, I don't know how many views this year. It wasn't that much though. But I really want a viral video. I don't know what I have to do to go viral, but a viral video would be bomb. That's a goal, and I hope I'm able to get that. I really want a viral video. Then my next goal is to get some Instagram friends, which I do. I have a couple of Instagram friends, I would say, but you know, that's something. And then YouTube friends. So that probably sounds so corny, but people that I can collab with often. And then once, you know, we get more subscribers, we can do like a business trip or something together that I see other people do. I just want to create friends on Instagram and on YouTube. So if you see this and you want to work on that with me, DM me on Instagram, comment down below, just let me know. And then I want to get better at makeup. So this is a halo eye. I tried to do a halo eye. It came out pretty good. This is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so my skin is not perfect. As you can see, it's definitely textured, but you know, yeah, I want to get better at makeup though. I'm happy I was able to create this look, but I want to get better at makeup. And with that, I want to do more makeup content. I've been watching a lot of Jackie Aina, and this has really got me inspired. I want to do more makeup content. I will never be solely a makeup creator, like just beauty, but I want to do more makeup content, and I want to get better at my makeup. And then my final goal for my YouTube and then content life is I want to get a follow from a major creator. My goal, I really want, if I got followed by like Jackie Aina, I would be shook. But I want to possibly get followed by Jasmine, you know, Jasmine Brown, Jasmine, Georgia, Hazel Goddess, possibly Jayla Majette. She's like a more lifestyle person on Instagram versus being, you know, beauty or hair on Instagram. But you know, here on YouTube, she do multiple different things, lifestyle. Raven Elise, I would love to get a follow from her. I don't know. I just had Lisette. That's all I watch pretty much, huh? Or Cali Curls. I follow her. I really like her, Cali Curls. I think her name is actually Sierra, but here on YouTube and on Instagram, her name is Cali Curls. One of them or somebody else, I really want to get a follow from a major creator. Like, it would just be such a like stamp for me, you know, stamp of approval. It made me feel like I'm doing something right. Like, they felt like following me, little old me from Arkansas. I ain't telling y'all my city, but little old me from Arkansas. So that's definitely a goal too. Now, getting a viral video and getting followed by a major creator isn't something that I have much control over, because I'm not gonna go DMing them, begging for them to follow me. I'm not doing that ever. But I would love to get a follow from a major creator. So yes, y'all, that's about it. So yeah, y'all, that's it for my goals. I am most likely splitting this into 2 parts. So yeah, if you haven't seen part 1, go to part 1. If you haven't seen part 2, go to part 2. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but yes, this is the end of this video. If you like my goals, or if you can relate some of my goals, or if you have any like things to add on to my goals, meaning like you should try da-da-da-da-da, you know, let me know. Comment that down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I want to see y'all in the next one. Bye.